Falga Joinery Co. We just wanted to shoot a little video to update everybody and let you know about our new Cabinet Innovator Hub blog page, which is an addition to our website. And at the moment, we're featuring some Bloom hardware, a great innovation called Space Step. And basically, it's designed for accessing the upper levels of space in your kitchen. You can see from the visual there, it's a slide out step that slides away safely. There's storage underneath the step, but it also gives you access to that higher level, particularly in smaller kitchens where you need to have cabinetry to the roof to utilize your space. It's an awesome innovation, and it's really a bit of a game changer in relation to utilizing all your space in your kitchen. They're a great partner of ours, 20-year warranty on their hinges, drawers, and assemblies. So a warranty like that speaks volumes for their quality. So it matches our quality offering and with the plywood cabinetry. Thanks very much, guys. Look forward to seeing you when you visit. Bye for now.